I got a meeting in 10 minutes, so I gotta put this wig on in the car. My drove ass thought I shipped it to my house, but sometimes I ship my stuff to the Amazon Pub Blocker too. So I got this wig off Amazon literally yesterday. It was like same day shipping, so I freaking got it off Amazon. It's a glueless closure wig. I already had some glueless closure wigs, but this is a 28 inch and it's deep wave. I haven't had like a deep water wave in a long time. It's so fucking pretty. Okay, I'm in a rush. Let's go. So before I left the house, I just brought out my lace tint. I'm like, I'm just spray that bitch in there, and because it's glueless, it should be able to pop right back on. And yeah, ooh, let's look a mess. I'm gonna just spray it right there where my forehead gonna be showing it right there in that middle part. That's about it. I still have 7 minutes to spray. I'm literally outside the, damn, I didn't, oh shit, hold on, wait. Yeah, I know I'm small head, bald head. I gotta put this at the tightest setting. That way it can be tight as fuck and flat as fuck. I don't bleach the knots on my glueless. Oh yes, bitch. I brought a hat just in case it didn't come out right. Oh bitch, yes. Oh bitch, yes. See, this is the exact look I was going for. It's like curly look like this. And it's long, it's 28 inches. Bitch, and it came in one day. Okay, y'all, let's go here. All right.